Hi everybody, Asawang Filipina here. So I'm here in my favorite place that I used to make pictures in the area. So here's our nail colors. And then for today's video, I'm gonna use this sandal for driving on the way home. So this one is from one of my followers. He sent this one and he only wants to watch these shoes for my driving. So I'm gonna use this one for driving today. It's too windy here, and for now we're gonna drive back home, so come with me. And of course, if you want to watch a longer videos, just click the join button level 3. Oh my gosh. But I need to buy a new tripod because it's moving around. So just click level 3 in my channel if you want to watch longer videos. Then the price of that, so I don't have to give you price, you have to give me price. So there's a lot of cars and stopping here, so I have to hide myself. So well, it's raining, starting to rain. So yeah, so 1,499 to level 3, and then of course let's go, come with me. Hi everybody, so for now we're gonna drive on the way home using this beautiful hills. So I'm using this pad. So we're gonna drive. This is how I do my pedals camera. How do you call that? I sit up. So I use wide angle. So V23. This is not a sponsored video, but this is how I do it. So I use to wide angle, and then we're gonna put it here. So we have to use the lights. So I have takes time to install the camera for pedals. I have a mount for my pedals view for my foot. I have to put first so it's easy for me for So everybody, we're gonna drive. So seat belt first, and then let's start the car. Foot brake. So before you start your car, you have to look first around, like your rear mirror and side mirror, mirror of the road, eyes on the road. So foot brake, then drive. It's easy. From park, you have to put it to drive, but be sure that your foot is in the foot brake first. Even though you are in the flat area, you always have to perform the brake. So drive, handbrake down, blinker left, and don't drive before you look. So you have to look first, then drive. Unless when you are good for it, but yeah, like overconfident is good, but overconfident can kill you. I say that to my friend too. So this time we're gonna drive on the way to the house. So at oh my god, I like this Peter's view. I did not do this morning for this, but this is good. Not too close. It's I have to check because I really love how I installed it. So okay, so next time I have to do this one. Good, take this. Okay, better luck next time. So because I make a long videos also, but I don't do like this one, but this view is really perfect. afraid for this one to be fall. My camera will fall. Fall. So okay, this time we're driving here in the mountains, so there's a lot of curves. So if you're a new driver, be sure to do or drive what makes you comfortable first. So it is normal at the beginning you use a lot of brakes, but then for this video we're gonna overtake. I mean, I really like how it positioned to my feet compared to this morning. So street drive. Some people don't drive with sandals. It is normal, don't do it because you have to think about your safety first. If you're not comfortable, don't wear it. I do it for entertainment purposes. Entertainment purposes. I'll do it. I'm comfortable with it, and I feel also safe with my sandals that I'm wearing. So there's nothing different wearing flats and high heels for me. So if you are not comfortable, then don't do it. Then if you're comfortable, then do it. So it's just part of my business to wear the high heels. It's part of my vlog. I earn from it, so that's why I'm doing it. But yeah, I feel good with it. Wearing these high heels or different types of shoes, boots, stilettos of shoes, wedges, that kind of shoes. So if you want to donate some shoes, just message me to my Facebook page. You're welcome to message me there. For custom video, you can message me there, and shoes donation, message me there. Then I can purchase for you to Lazada. That's what I do with my other subscribers. Still early. So descending, so I only use the foot brake and lower gear. So drive to 2. So driving alone or with passenger is different. When you drive alone, you have more in control with your car. But when your car is heavy, be sure to brake earlier and don't drive like too confident when you have passenger in your car, because like for example, if you wanna stop in that area and you don't brake earlier, you cannot stop. You will drive more. So that's what happened driving in the mountain with a lot of they always said like, oh, I lost my brake or my brake is damaged, but it's not really the brake, it was how you drive. That's my opinion, because I experienced driving when my car is very heavy and I thought I lost my brake. I was like, oh my god, my brake doesn't work anymore. But I forgot that I have tiles, like 5 boxes of tiles in my car, and I brake as normal as I do like when I'm driving alone. So I brake that one, I brake like that. But then no, when your car is heavier, you have to brake earlier. To all of my members, to my followers who are watching my driving videos, thank you everybody for watching my videos, and to my members that are joining to my membership at level 3. So if you want to join, just join level 3, because I rarely updated uploading to my level 2, so it's better to go to level 3 instead of level 2. So I'm gonna make a new intro for that, but for now we're gonna drive. So thank you everyone for watching, and see you next vlog. Bye. Hello everybody. So for custom video, you can message me to my Facebook page, Curse of Vlogs. So just message me right there and right there. Well, anyway, see you there and chat with you there than the Gmail. So I'm not really in the Gmail area. Which
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.